Welcome to digital learning platform of Sri Guru Sudindra College, course BCA second semester, subject data structure program. In that, program number 12, C program to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Before starting with this conversion example, we will see some basic concepts like what is an operands, operators. Operands are nothing but variables used in the expression. For example, A, B, C, D, and so on. These are called as operands. Operators are nothing but operations that is performing. For example, the symbols like plus, minus, star, slash, these are called as operators. So here plus is used to perform addition operation. So plus is acts as an operator. There are three kinds of expression, that is infix, postfix and prefix expression. If the operator present in between two operands, that expression is called infix expression. For example, A plus B is an infix expression. Plus because plus operator present in between A and B operands. In the same way, if the operands placed after the operands, that is postfix expression, for example, AB plus, prefix means operator should be before the operands, for example, plus AB. There are some rules which we have to follow while converting the expression. The first thing is we need to know the priority of the operators. For example, exponent has the highest priority. Next, multiplier and division has next priority. In the same way, plus and minus is having lowest priority. Rule number 2, no two operators of same priority can stay together in the stack column. That is, plus and minus is having same priority. In the stack column, they cannot stay together. Before pushing the same priority operator into stack, we need to pop the already present operator in the stack. Third rule, lowest priority cannot be placed before highest priority. That means highest priority operator cannot tolerate lowest priority operator. So we need to pop the operator which is there in the stack. And the last rule, suppose any operator placed in between open and closed bracket, we need to pop the operators. Let us consider a simple example, A minus B plus C. This is an infix expression because operators present in between the operands. So we need to scan this infix expression from left to right. While scanning, if the symbol is operand, then we need to place that operand onto the postfix column. If it is operator, we need to put it onto the stack. So in our example, first symbol is A. It is an operand, so we need to directly paste that operand into the postfix. Next comes minus. It is an operator. We need to push that particular operator into the stack. Next one is B. It is an operand, so directly after A we can place B. Then next one is plus. It is an operator. We need to push that operator into the stack. But according to rule number 2, no two operators of same priority can stay together in the stack column. In our example, plus and minus is having same priority. So already minus is there in the stack. We cannot push plus into the stack. That's what we need to pop the minus from the stack. Then we can push the plus into the stack. So now the expression is AB minus. Next symbol is C. It is an operand. Place it onto the postfix. That is AB minus C. So we have reached at the end of the expression. So whatever there in stack, we need to pop that particular symbol, that is plus. The postfix expression of A minus B plus C is AB minus C plus. Let us see the program. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, hash include ctype.h are the header file. Hash defines size 50. This means in stack we cannot give size directly, so macros were used to define the size of the stack. Char s of size declaring stack S of type character. Int top is equal to -1. Whenever top is -1, that means stack is empty. In the push function of character element stack S of ++ top, which is pre-increment operator and is equal to element, this element will be taken from the user. And in the pop function, which returns stack S of top --, which is post decrement, and precedence of character element has a return type of integer. I have used switch case, which takes element as input and which will be taken from the user, and it has many cases. Case equal has return 0, so equal will be sent to the output first, whatever the case may be. And next case is open bracket, it returns 1. In stack, open bracket can sit on the any other operator or any operator can sit on the open bracket. In case plus and minus, which has left to right associativity, both are equal, which has return type 2. Case star and slash has left to right associativity but higher priority than plus and minus. 3 will be written in this case. In main function, the variables infix of 50, postfix of 50, ch elements are declared. It is of type character. Next, I and k are initialized to 0 of type integer. Next, print statement will print the content. Scanf function read the infix expression from the user. Initially, we have to push the equal to the stack. In while condition, if ch is equal to infix of I++ not equal to null, then the following will be executed. That is, if else loop is used here. In if condition, if ch is equal to open bracket, then ch will be pushed. Else, if is alphanumeric of ch, then postfix of k++ is equal to ch. Else, if ch is equal to close bracket, while s of top not equal to open bracket, postfix of k++ is equal to pop. That means it will be removed and the element will be popped. That is, whenever open bracket is found, it can sit on anything. Whenever closed bracket is found, it goes into the stack. Until we find an open bracket, every operator in the middle will be removed. Else, while loop has the precedence of s of top. The top is the position of the control and is greater than the precedence of ch, then postfix of k++ is equal to pop will be removed and push will be the ch. That means lower priority tries to sit on the higher priority in the stack. Then the according element which is in the stack will be removed, that will be popped out, and according element will be pushed into the stack. At last, while loop stack of top not equal to, then postfix of k++ is equal to pop, postfix of k is equal to null, then printf statement will give infix expression, that is %s, which will be taken from the above, and postfix expression which will be the result of the program.